Hello and welcome back, YouTube. I hope everyone enjoyed Chef Armand's special guest last week. For today, the chef will be making a no-bake energy bite. Chef Armand, let's begin. Let's start off placing our oatmeal into the bowl. Our flaxseed, chocolate chips, coconut oil, and we're putting coconut oil in as a special flavor. Next, we're going to do our honey. Our peanut butter. And our last ingredient we're going to put in is our vanilla flavoring. He's going to mix all ingredients together. Next, he'll be putting his gloves on. He'll be taking the ingredients out of the bowl, rolling them into the ball, and placing them on the cookie sheet. After he's done rolling the no-bake energy bites onto the cookie sheet, we're going to place them in the refrigerator for an hour to firm, and we'll be back. Welcome back, YouTube. And here are Chef Armand's no-bake energy bites. Thank you for coming to Chef Armand's Kitchen. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Have a good one.